Good morning. So, out on the kayak today. Don't know if you can actually see, but the good old Scottish midge is out in force today. But we are on a little stream that feeds into Loch Lomond. We're going to follow it down right into the loch, and then we're going to try for some perch and some pike. So let's go. Just get out there now. Maybe yourselves. Nah. Perch? Nah. You been fishing long, nah? Nah. One of the best. He's there. This is a jetty over here. I've had quite a few good fish out of this mark actually. So I'd fished in this bay here. Chucked a couple of pike lures about, but not much happening. So we'll fish in around this structure. Hopefully pick up some perch. As I said, I've done well here before, so we're using that drop shot method with the Rabala Finesse. If you've not tried this out before, guys, absolutely deadly. Let's give it a bash here. As I said, I've had some good success here, so here it goes. It's about 30 feet deep here. Let's see if there's any perch about. Oh, there's a bite, straight away. Fish on. Superb. Feels quite small, but we'll take it. And there we go. Tiny little baby perch. And away it goes. It's a wee bit deeper here actually, that must be about 40 feet there. I think the fish are tucked in right against that jetty. Maybe a wee bit too deep here. That's still running. Aye, we'll head in. Right, down in here is the money. Here goes. That's a fish. Oh, that feels a bit better. There we go. Definitely feels a bit better. Ah, it's not bad. We'll take him. Lovely fish. Absolutely love catching these. There he goes. This is the place to be, I think. Most action I've had all morning. I'm ready to try sight right underneath this boat. Right down here. That's us in the bottom. Let's see what we can get. Fish, there's a bite straight away. That's a fish. Oh, that feels better. Oh yes. Definitely feels a lot better. Oh. Oh, I might have get in a bit of pickle here. This is a good fish, I think. Oh no! Try and get this over. Right, come on. What an absolute mess I'm in here. This is a good fish, I think. And that is a pike. You belter. Need the net for this. It's not a massive pike, but it's a pike. We'll take it. Took the drop shot. We'll take you. Oh, lovely. I need to watch this. Is only a £6 line. And we're in. Lovely jubbly. Right in the lip of the drop shot. There we go. Right away. Jesus. Well, tough to handle the wee jacks, lively. Buzzing with that. So that was a nice wee surprise. Nice pike on the drop shot there. Aye. Just got a wee light rod, wee 7-foot rod. I've got the drop shot set up. It's the pink and white Rabala Finesse. It's deadly in here. I'm going to drop down again, see what we can get. That was a great wee fight off that wee pike. Brilliant on the light tackle. I'm looking for a big perch, that's what I'm wanting. If I'm wanting about £2 or something would be great. I'm going to sell into some pickle there with that pike. I've fished on a kayak for a good 10 years. Well, saying that, I've been out once for the mackerel, but kind of bigger fish. I think it's a wee bit of getting used to landing them on it. And God knows what you'd do if you'd picked up a 20 punner. It's a wee bit quieter on this side of the jetty. I might move back round to underneath the boats. Brilliant type of fishing this, man. Absolutely love it. You just drop that drop shot down to the bottom, and then every now and again just get a wee jig up and down. It seems to work. Definitely a wee bit quieter around here. I think we'll head back round there, get a wee bash again. Let's get another shot down here. This is where I got the pike and the perch. There it goes. That was a bite straight away. And fish on. Oh, that's nice. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is an absolute topper of a perch. No, 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 no. No! No, 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 no. I can't believe I just lost that perch. I hope I've seen that. I hope I got that in the camera there. That was an absolute monster. Come on, please be nice. Feels no bad. Definitely not as big as that last one, I'll tell you that. Come on. Oh, it's nice. Ah, it's not bad. It's better. That last one, no, I can't believe it got off. Ah, it's not bad. the day. Lovely jubbly. That's us back where we started. That was a great wee morning that. Really enjoyed that. Had two jack pike. Had about 6 or 7 perch. The only bummer of the day was that big perch. I think that was about 3 or 4 pun. I'm not sure if I've actually caught it on the GoPro. I hope I have. Sickening, honestly. I got myself into some mess and all. Tried to grab the net and it caught onto another rod. Then the fish took a dive, away it went. But I know where it lives now, so I'll be back down trying to get it. But it was a great day, really enjoyed that. What a spot this is. Took the kayak into just a wee stream and then just meandered all the way down into the loch. Really good fun. But hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Please like, subscribe, all that nonsense, and catch you next time.